I'm Mark Moriarty, and today we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day with M&S. Now, what better way to celebrate the national holiday than with a classic Irish potato Boxty cake. We're going to be serving it brunch style with a poached egg, mustard mayo, and some crispy ham hock. I'm using Maris Piper because they're quite dry, it means they'll go nice and crispy when we cook them as a cake. The key to great Boxty is to get the mix as dry as possible, so we need to remove the water from here, meaning we get full potato flavour and they go lovely and crispy in the pan. To turn this into Boxty, I'm going to add a little bit of Maris Piper mashed potato or the M&S Ultimate Mash, a touch of flour, egg yolk, and finally to season it up, a handful of salt. Very important the cake isn't too thick or the potatoes won't cook through in the pan. I'm going to cook that over a low enough heat for about 5 minutes on both sides till it's nicely golden brown and soft throughout. To finish the Boxty, we add mustard mayo, poached egg, some pulled ham hock which I've crisped up in a pan, and a few chives to top. And to make it vegetarian, you can leave out the ham hock or even add a few dressed cherry tomatoes. There you have it, a traditional Irish dish given a modern twist. This is not just food, this is M&S food. Happy St. Patrick's Day.